It can be really difficult to draw a line in the retail sand and to say that was then, but now everything has changed, everything has to be different. But in fact, that's what COVID lockdowns absolutely did. They changed everything in retail forever. Our expectations of retailers and retail leaders has changed completely. And where businesses were once quite happy and successful just to do as well as they could, that is no longer enough. You need to be obsessed with being essential to the customer. And if you are a retail leader who can define what is essential, and you can also practically deliver that essential into a retail business, then you have a huge advantage in this industry. It's about identifying what the customer wants from you. And it's about understanding what type of connection will make you essential to your customer. Is that a relationship which is built on convenience or reliability? Or is that a relationship which is built around emotions, around fun, around lifestyle, around taste? It's about delivering that essential customer experience through everything that the customer touches in your business. Through essential products, services, shops, theatre, price, promotions, marketing, and personal conversations with the customer. And within your business, do you have those essential people? Do you have an essential organizational structure and processes? And do you have that essential mindset, mentality, and culture within your business? And that's what this course aims to do for students, to teach them how to identify what essential means for your business, and to teach them how, where, and when to deliver that essential to the customer. Make your business essential and make yourself essential, exceptional, and indispensable to your own retail adventure and to every retail employer out there. This is what I'm here to teach you. This is what you can expect in the course.